out here every Saturday, bro. Literally, I missed 2 years because I get shot. I come out here every Saturday and bust my ass just like everybody else, bro. Everybody else, bro. I'm going to be 100,000% honest with you guys. I am flat out embarrassed as hell. I am flat out embarrassed of the freaking thing that we just did out in front of our fan base for the first time of 2019. And we can talk about it all you want, but I'm done. Okay, I'm done with it, like flat out. Because I'm to that point where I don't give a damn if we have a team this year. And I have never said that. I have never said that because I am not going to continue to waste my time on what we just watched and what we just did and the standard that you guys just allowed to happen.
Good morning, Chattanooga. It's another beautiful day in the scenic city, and I'll tell you, we got a lot going on today. Outdoor activities, festivals, music shows, and family.
Chattanooga has advanced to the Final Four in Outside Magazine's Best Town Ever contest.
It's a brand new
And welcome
day.
back to Good Morning Chattanooga, time 4:40 here on this early Monday morning.
Blue sky, and I can see that it's gonna be.
Chattanooga is just such a hub for so much that's just right here in our backyard.
Look out, mountain, you're up so
It is beautiful here. So nice.
Yeah, the views up here are incredible.
This mountain was used as a Confederate stronghold during the war.
Good morning, Chattanooga.
Chattanooga won Outside's Best Towns contest this year.
Tennessee Aquarium is a popular place for Metro Atlanta families looking for an easy day trip or a weekend getaway.
Walk down some old avenue. That's a Chattanooga choo-choo. As she rolls along, she sings a song. Good morning, Chattanooga. Yeah, good morning, Chattanooga.
When you come to Chattanooga, the first things you probably realize is the natural beauty that surrounds it. You have the mountains, the cliffs, the waterfalls, the river, and the diverse ecosystem.
Reporting live from them Chattanooga streets, trying to keep the peace. Swimming in them lakes out in the east, praying never sink. Keep your eyes open when you sleep, dog don't even blink. Doing homicides at 15, they don't even.
You come a little bit further into town, you'll see a very modern landscape of buildings.
My niggas with blinkers won't be a target. I do this for my single mothers who ain't got the patience and for.
And it's a very artistic, contemporary styled town.
I'm a pimp, wear that steak and shrimp, mix that white sauce and that hot sauce all up.
The last thing you'd probably think about is sports. From a sports perspective, the Chattanooga Eagles are the city's best kept secret.
You're a gap player. You gotta hold it down. LB's in the middle. We got probably the smallest middle linebackers in this whole league, but they're dogs.
And when it comes to a winning football program,
And I believe in.
it all starts with the coach.
You know, growing up, whenever I was 6, my brother was born with Down syndrome, and started playing ball, and he started following me up through it. You know, it was just kind of one of those things where it was like you strap on the pads for something bigger than yourself. You go into it, and watching people grow up that may not have had the opportunities that I've had, or the opportunities that other people have had. You know, it's just something bigger than yourself. Try to go big, you know, and you don't want to take any place off. You don't want to take any place for granted. Just got to do what you got to do.
And I know your love for your family, like you said with your brother, has a lot to do with what you do. What parts of that make you better coach?
Yeah, definitely. You know, I got married 2 years ago. She's been one of my biggest supporters. Definitely doing, you know, all this doesn't come with a big fat paycheck at the end of the day. This isn't money driven. Nothing, you know, nothing's guaranteed. You know, I promised tomorrow in this type of work. So, you know, giving back to my family through this game is huge. They come and support me. You know, they'll buy all of our stuff. They love come and support the guys. You know, I mean, it's big. Family's everything to me. And being able to do this, you know, I have another family. I think that's probably the hardest part of juggling everything. You know, whenever I leave on Saturday mornings, I get up, I kiss my daughter and my wife goodbye, and sometimes I don't come home till 5 or 6 in the afternoon. Doing stuff with the coaches, working on depth charts, talking, just everything, man. It's a really, really big blessing and really big. I mean, you know, it takes a team here too.
What's going on, boss? Fresh out of the bed this morning, man. I'm cold as ice. I'm gonna hit that there crossbar, man. Do perfect. Left-handed.
Okay? You guys have to believe in each other for any of this works. Okay? You guys have to believe in each other. That's what it is. That's what this team has to be about.
Talent-wise, the Eagles have all the pieces needed to compete for a championship.
Speaking on my behalf, I have never in my life been a part of a losing team, so I know we won't be on the losing end of too many, if any.
Whenever we get one, okay, when we get one and we all believe in the same thing and we're all striving to be the best we can be in this system, we're going to be great because we have the parts. We have the parts.
The offense should be very dynamic this year. They have two quarterbacks whose games complement each other very well. You have Ethan Barker and Hunter Moore. Hunter's more of your traditional style quarterback. A big time arm will absolutely kill you from the pocket.
Hunter's more than likely going to be the guy that sits back there and shreds it.
You can tell he's grown up around the game pretty much his whole life.
That arm, and his ability to read, he got IQ, he got that vision like a motherfucker.
He trusts what he sees. So once he sees, it ain't no, oh, I see, I'm not.
He's a real mad player. He's a real mad player. For real.
You know, I think he got a cannon. He's definitely a good quarterback for us. I think he's one of the best ones we probably had as a quarterback to come through Chattanooga Eagles, period.
And Ethan, on the other hand, he's built like a semi-truck.
Ethan is just a bull. Every time he gets tackled, he's falling forward. I haven't seen him take a hit and fall backwards all season.
Careful to Clutch County.
Yeah.
He's just gonna pound it out.
Good old boy.
Get you those 2 or 3 yards that you need those type guys. I actually have both of them in the group message with me. And I told them, I've been telling people since before this year started, I've been telling people 2006 and 2010 40 years. That's what this year's gonna be. It's literally gonna be Tim Tebow and Chris Lee.
Defensive end opens it right up for Tebow.
Is this a championship team?
Most definitely. I can't see anybody else who can beat us right now. I haven't seen too many teams up in the North Carolina and Virginia area up there, but as far as down south, I don't see nobody else is more talented than we are.
I'm proud of you guys for what we're doing. I really am. I'm proud of you guys for what we're doing, and I'm excited because I see us getting better. I see it. we have a terrible stretch of defensive plays, somebody lights into you, tells you to buckle down and focus instead of worrying about somebody else, and you get a turnover and you score. Why did I have to do that? You know what I'm saying? Why do I have to do that? One of you guys, hold yourself accountable, man. Hold yourself accountable. Any questions? Any questions? You guys get a breakdown. Be ready for next week, okay? Big day next week. Get out. 1, 2, 3, go!
If I gave it a grade, raw C. Raw C. Yeah. They be all right though. They'll get it together. They get it together. Got a game at the end of the month, you know. That'll really show it. That'll really tell it, you know, what's going on. But as far as right now, they need to wake up some more.
We invited Huntsville to play for the night game. To play Huntsville at the quote-unquote primetime game.
The Eagles got the Huntsville Rockets, and you know, they're a good team. That's a good program they have down there in Huntsville. Always kind of been a rivalry between the Eagles and the Rockets, so it'll be a great way to get the season started off.
Pick up my phone. I'm just gonna sit here looking at y'all. You're good.
Looking at us.
Don't worry, you're good.
No, I'm already turned around, Coach. I'm already back.
I'll see you soon.
Is the helmet there?
Yep.
Did they number which ones they did? How many they did? Is that what that 9 is?
9 weeks.
Okay, yeah. And I
got the face mask in the box. I'll pull it out here. They got some helmets over here, Sadiq.
I got a deodorant stick in my shit.
You sure you're putting?
Yeah, on the inside. I took it from Central. I played for Brandon.
Is that it? Is that your face mask?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
It is.
My shit was bigger than this. We're playing against D-Hart now. Cold.
Hey,
mine.
I promise.
I already came.
That's Sam's face mask.
Oh.
That's the helmet you have?
Yeah, Sam's helmet? Yeah, that's it.
That's Sam's face mask.
I guess I'll be back. Bro, if you go to Academy, call me.
Yeah.
I need a shin guard. Well, we ain't put them on today?
Yeah, I'm gonna put them on today. He put them on. I'm gonna put them on. Y'all put them on, but you need to put it together first.
Before I put that on?
How you getting here?
Alright, don't leave. Well, you can.
TJ can't. I mean, Ted can't get his helmet together, man. That's good.
That's good? Ooh. That's wet. That's dope. I like that. Mine's next. You got some more stickers?
What do you like?
Try to get that. I thought they were hurt. Oh, that's right.
That's not bad right there. No, just cut that.
He said, oh, that's right, dude.
That's the part I don't like. That's all how to pick out some. Because this hole right here. Go tell all those guys to come up here, please.
Jersey.
Find a trash can, please.
Because honestly, my uncle and them, like, this neighborhood my uncle and them grew up in. Like, when I first came out here, I wasn't gonna get 25. I was gonna get like number 36. But it was something about that jersey when I picked it up. Like, my Uncle Junebug. Yeah. My Uncle Junebug, them Pa's home days, my Uncle Junebug, number 25. Yeah, that motherfucker wet.
Good. Ask me out. Where's the game coming? I'll be back.
Y'all got y'all cleats on, pants on, tights on, game jerseys on. Man, y'all finna wear your helmet next. Y'all got everything on. Y'all ready to play right now.
That's what he gonna do.
The entire game. The entire game, bro.
That's what I fuck with. I love dude, bro.
That looks really nice right there. Talking to his damn self. Nobody even say nothing back.
Go ahead and get my shit. You better have my
Yours,
shit.
right?
Yeah.
Girl paid before you.
Who?
What number you want? We got 19.
Man, what else, man?
Number one's gone. Find a trash can, please, sir.
Damn, I gotta throw it away. Crispy.
He got a whole fucking wardrobe of clothes.
Fried chicken, potato salad, mac and cheese, fruit, sweet tea, rolls. Y'all can go get your own drink. I got another team somewhere.
Oh, that's you said you won't eat no bread. This is the sweet butter?
Yes, that's the sweet butter.
Oh yeah, I gotta get that.
That's that Texas Roadhouse.
Whatever.
Try to eat it. I already know. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, niggas be going all the way. Ain't gonna win it.
Everybody up, let's go, we gotta go. We're on a schedule, let's go. Hats on right here. Everybody come in tight. Cedric, let's go, head on.
War time.
Bring it in tight. Bad guys, bring it in tight. We'll fall out 2 by 2. Let's go. Move up.
2 and 2.
Listen up. Mouths closed. Listen up. It's your first outing. There's already a lot of people here to support you tonight. Don't let them down. Be the team that you can be. Focus on your unit. Focus on your brotherhood. No plays off. Do your job. Play in, play out. Beat their ass. There's nothing left to be said. This is your life. There's your place. This is your place. This is it. This is your moment. Right here. Make it statement. Play as one. Let's go.
We are here for the highly anticipated preseason matchup between the Chattanooga Eagles and the Huntsville Rockets. The Chattanooga Eagles are coming into their inaugural season in the IFL ranked 3rd, whereas the Huntsville Rockets are coming off a deep playoff push in the 2018 GDFL season. The Rockets currently hold a series lead 3-2, but we'll see what Coach Hayden Clark can do to try and tie it up by the end of the night. Expect a hard-hitting game filled with fireworks between these two rivalries.
DJ! Let's go. Saddles, let's go. Y'all four, let's go. Y'all four. Back up, mama. Tell Tommy we need somebody to change. You hear me? I forgot to change. Throwing you out for cussing, bro. Hey, they gonna throw y'all out for cussing.
When you start, this you warning. First one is unsportsmanlike. Next one, they got a lead.
I got you.
What league is this? We can't cuss.
No cussing.
Which cuss word?
All the above.
Y'all better like somebody else.
The Huntsville Rockets have won the toss and have elected to receive. We have a deep kick fielded around the 7-yard line, a return right. Cuts it up, bounces off the tackle, and then is just swarmed by the coverage team. Going to be spotted at the 24-yard line, and here comes the Chattanooga Eagles defense. This defense has always been the staple of the organization throughout the years. We'll see what Coach Hayden Clark's got early on. Rockets line up with the shotgun, the snap, it's a rollout right. The Eagles are in pursuit. And there is Alonzo Blackwell, Roe Cavry, Jared Watson, and William Ackerman. That has to be exactly what Coach Hayden Clark likes to see early on. That defense actively flying around, and they're going to force an early 3 and out.
Stay in the day. Stay in all fucking day. All night. All night.
Couldn't be much of a better start for Coach Hayden Clark and these Eagles.
All night, baby. Take off. Ass on.
Ace right, all stops. Ace right, all stops.
And here comes the highly touted quarterback, Hunter Moore. High school ball at East Hamilton, then went on to the University of Alabama State, and then transferred to the UTC, and now he is headlining this Eagles offense. He comes out 2 backs in the gun, 2 receivers split out right. The snap. He's going to throw a quick hitch. That's Henderson. He spins, bounces off the defender, hits the sideline, makes another move, pushes off, and that's going to be a first down, Chattanooga Eagles. It's going to be a 1st and 10 Chattanooga Eagles at their 45-yard line. Cedric Edwards checks into the backfield. Eagles coming out in a 4-receiver set.
Who's our back? Cedric. Tell Cedric to be patient, okay? Only go when you go. We're going to go Kings. We're going to fake bubble right 33. Be quick with it.
The snap, he's going to throw the bubble. He's going to hand it off left, actually. He makes the guy miss, puts his shoulder down, and takes it down to the 28-yard line. That's another first down, Chattanooga Eagles.
I see you, boy.
The Eagles are facing their first big 3rd down of the game, a 3rd and 4. Moore the snap. Dumps it off to the running back, Edwards in the flats, and he's going to be short. It's going to bring up 4th down. It's going to be decision time for Coach Hayden Clark.
Ace heavy, Ace heavy, Ace heavy, Ace heavy, Ace heavy.
Yeah, come on, Ace left heavy, 13. Ace left heavy. Give me 3.
Get out.
And it looks like the offense is staying out of the field. Here comes quarterback Ethan Barker. He's more of the runner out of the 2 quarterbacks. Speaking to Coach Hayden Clark earlier, says he's going to be their version of Tim Tebow.
Ace left heavy, 13.
Heavy set.
Let's go, baby. Come on. We're going to be all in here now.
Let's
see what he does.
You have 4th and 4. The snap. It's going to be QB keep. He's going to put his shoulder down. He's going to be inside the line of scrimmage, and it looks like he's going to be short.
Let's go deep. Let's go deep. Let's go deep.
They trying to jump the snap count, but it ain't working.
We're kind of mixing it up a little, just enough.
Hurry up and get this. Once they see it's heavy, they're all going to bunch in.
Y'all make sure when y'all go on 2, you reiterate the hell out of it because we ain't heard.
If I go on 2, I'm doing no.
That's fine.
If y'all see anything, look it over here. If y'all see anything different too, let me know. Right. Just on the board, we'll talk about it. All right, You let these soft motherfuckers go out here and get their ass blowed up all motherfucking plays. Don't even come to practice, get in there, bust it off the line. I ain't the best motherfucking lineman out here, but I ain't no bitch. I got heart.
I ain't getting mad at that shit. It's just some fact how offense rotating, but defense ain't doing nothing.
Hey, Coach Hayden wants you. Coach Hayden wants you. Come on, man. Jet, bro. Jet, talk to him. Please don't get me filled. Jet, talk to him. Jet, talk to preseason. You got a whole second half, preseason. Come on, bro. Just see what he wants, bro. They trying to. Come on, bro. Bro, stay with us, bro. We can't hide that. Right. We need you, bro. We need this whole team. Because once that happens, bro, one missing brick can break down the whole building, bro. We need you, bro. Don't do that. On that punt, go find him, bro.
That punt ain't shit. That's what you prepare for. Yeah. That ain't shit. That's why I ain't say nothing to his suck ass. That's why I let him do what he do.
Yeah, it's all right. When it's your time, when your number call, be ready. That's all it is. The number call, be ready. We can't get no offensive rotation.
Man, ain't shit in rotation, homie. I'm about to take my motherfucking uniform off and go to the crib, homie. Real shit. Lonzo ain't been to practice in 2 weeks. The fuck he on the field for?
It's not even.
Come on, bro.
It's the sad part.
Nigga just paid his motherfucking fees today. Nigga, I been had my shit in 2 weeks ago.
It's not even about that room,
bro. This shit ain't fair at all, homie.
It's the fact.
Then they want to put me on punt return.
Look at this.
Suck ass shit, bro.
Y'all bring the same offensive line out there every time.
Look at him. He don't even know what the fuck he want to do.
I'm watching Brandon get his ass blown up every play.
Oh, I thought that was 4th right there.
Oh, no, this is 3rd.
Yeah,
this 4th now. I think.
straight mixed up on a
backside?
We'll get it caught.
On the backside?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's
That's
set
fine.
that up first. You know
That's
what I
fine.
mean?
That's fine.
And then we'll take a shot.
And the Eagles have forced a 4th and long. Rockets in dangerous territory, punting from the back of their end zone. Let's see if Coach Hayden Clark goes after this one. Snap the punt. It's a deep punt. Fielded about the 46-yard line by Spence. He takes it right, stutters, cuts it back left, breaks the tackle, goes and hits the sideline. He has a block, one to beat, makes a move, and he is dragged down to the 4-yard line.
All right, let's go.
If the O can't get 10 yards, 10 yards from the
Eagles in scoring position here within 5. Moore lining up in the shotgun. Mike Porch to the left, trips right. Moore checks at the line. The snap. He's going to throw it left. That's Trey Clark, and that is a touchdown, Chattanooga Eagles. Offense lined up, trips right, and on the backside out for the wide open touchdown.
Let's count them!
Who that? Drake.
Yeah, I like it. Good one. Always. Good, bro? Always.
Coach Hayden Clark keeping the offense out there. Looks like they'll be going for 2. Here's Ethan Barker in at the quarterback position. They're coming out in the heavy set. The snap. It's a play action. It's a rollout right, but he is just swarmed in the backfield. The first quarter coming to a close. The Chattanooga Eagles will take a 6-0 lead.
This way. We press this and we hit it. Yeah. Don't wait. Don't tippy.
Not fucking wait.
Do like you did and just fucking go.
They basically come out in the 2 high every play, and they're pressing the crap out of the corners too, so might be able to take a shot, opening up. Receivers QB, come here. Listen. Right now, all we've seen is a 2 high look, okay? We've seen a 2 high look. That's it. Listen, that opens up the holes down the seam if we can win one-on-one and press coverage, okay? If we come out and we run like stuff like King's Go post, okay? Your post guys almost turn into a slant. Please don't take that literally, okay? Instead of a 10-yard post, okay? Instead of a 10-yard purse, we turn that thing into like 6, 7, maybe 8 in post. You want to hold the safety. Always attack the inside part of that, in front of that shoulder, okay? So if my man's a safety right here, ball's in here, we're going to attack his inside shoulder to get him commit. If he commits a little bit, the outside seam's one-on-one and we got all day. Okay, so whenever you're that slot guy, understand when you read 2 high, the post is almost dead. Okay, it can come open if safety flies and then we got nobody left on the post. Okay, make sure we read safety. He commits, we take our shot. He overflows it, we throw the post on the seam. We're one-on-one with the linebacker. We're all day. Okay, so be smart right there. If we have stuff called like go post, make sure you understand what's going on in the slot. Okay?
You got to make a play.
The Eagles coming out with 4 receivers set. The snap.
There you go.
Back. He's looking deep. He throws one. That's Darryl Vaughn.
Go get it, Vaughn.
Just out of his reach. Incomplete.
Work on that drill all the time. Well, how about working on that drill all the time?
Oh, I forgot. You don't come to practice. You're right. That's why I ain't saying nothing. I do what I'm supposed to do.
So the Eagles defense holds, and they're going to force a punt. The Rockets punting around their 25-yard line to the very dangerous return man, Sadiq Spence. Snap. The punt. It's a deep punt to the right. It's going to take a bounce, fielded by Spence at around the 30. He's going to hit the sideline. He's going to cut it up inside, and he has a man. He's on the sideline. Win the beat. And he is gone. Touchdown, Eagles. But wait a minute, we have a little bit of injury on the field. This one might be coming back.
You think I care about this shit? I don't care about this shit, bro. You care about this. I made a name for this shit. I don't care about this shit, bro. You ass. I don't even know you. You must be new. Hey. Sorry, bro. Shut your poor ass up.
You can't whoop me. I ain't my 150. Either you gonna keep talking that cash shit and we can take these pads off. Damn, them niggas don't block, bro.
Make sure you have it by yourself.
Hey, dude. Okay, hey. You can't tell me my jab ain't good.
We're gonna stop the run short.
You can't tell me my jab still ain't
down
good.
long for the Rockets.
Say my jab ain't good, huh? No, I'm gonna go ahead and go get ready for security work tonight.
D-Mac got kicked out.
Oh, he did?
Yes. D-Mac.
What the hell even happened?
I think one of our guys punched somebody.
What?
Yeah, he hit him back, and then he hit him again.
Let's try that fuck shit. I'm gonna drop his ass this time. Straight up.
First down.
They kicked both of them out.
Yeah, they kicked both of them.
It was two jabs. Boom,
Man,
boom.
what's up, bro? What's poppin', nigga? What's poppin', nigga? What's up? What's up? Everybody get the fuck out of my face! I don't care! Move, bro! Get my 150 in, nigga, fucking talk out! Hey, man, bro, leave me alone! Don't say shit to me! Watch your mouth. Get my 150 back anyway, nigga! Get my locker room! Get out! Get all this motherfucking money! For what? Get out! That's what I'm playing! Go home! Get my helmet, bro! How much you going for these? Fuck y'all talking about? Hey, chill out. No, bro. Chill out. Hey, man, no. Chill out, man. Shit pissing me off, bro. Do all this shit for what? Bro, all y'all can quit talking to me. Fuck y'all talking about? Man, I'm finna hold my tongue, bro. You get busted off the line every play, but you keep sending them out there. After today, I'm telling you right now, bro. If they not showing up to practice and we can't get in the game because they want to get put in when the game here, I'm not playing. No. That shit petty, bro. And they think I'm finna hold my tongue. No. I paid good money to be here just like they did.
We'll be outside. Go into this locker room. The reason that we will never have a product that we can put out there is because the that comes with it. You can't act like a bunch of baby back when people run their mouth. When you got kids that come here to watch you sitting in the front row.
You got fans saying shit, man, about your kids been out here and y'all sitting here cussing. Stuff like that.
Like, and here's what it's gonna take. It's gonna take one of you guys to hold them accountable. They're not gonna listen to us. I know this group right here, like I know that this group right here can lock in and follow me, and I can lead, and we can be on the same level, and I can respect you guys like you respect me, in a sense we're all around the same age. I'm not trying to be a bigger person here or be the it ain't like that. These guys are gonna follow what you do, and we gotta be a role model, okay? When Darius comes out here and he's and you can't be, oh, we shouldn't have got them boxing, that's agging on, man. You know what I'm saying? And to you, it's nothing because it is funny. It is. I'm laughing with you. But we can't do it because we have a bigger picture here and up there. If there's any sponsor that heard about this, which there's a lot of people here, guys. If there's any sponsor that heard about who you are, that's like, you know what? I might want to go check this out. But let me ask you this too. We're on thin ice with Ridgeland because we don't have that same new head coach. What do you think he's sitting up there at that corner thinking whenever we have on his product?
They ain't gonna be playing out here too long.
Hey, so we gotta blow there.
You know what I'm saying?
It ain't even that, bro.
It's not about winning. We have to be better.
Just keep your mouth shut, really. That's all it boils down to.
Right here,
your teammates talking, bring his ass back to the
Talk to your teammates. Don't worry about them. Let's go.
2 minute right here.
Hey, listen. Hey, come here. Hey, we're still going.
The Eagles 80 yards away, minute 13 on the clock, and we're coming out with a shotgun. 2 receivers left. The snap. He's going to step up in the pocket and collapses. He spins out of it, rolling out left, throws one sideline, and that is incomplete. Just sails over his head, but great escapability by Hunter Moore. Looks like we're going to go into the half 6-0, Chattanooga Eagles.
And that's the end of the half. Chattanooga Eagles 6, Huntsville Rockets 0.
Fuck you, motherfucker. Fuck we talking about? We out here fighting each other, cussing on the sidelines and shit. Y'all tripping, man.
Right here. Backer
Hey, sit down and get in front of me. Sit down and get in front of me. I don't care about this shit. Sit down and get in front of me.
Bro, we hear this shit every time, bro.
Listen to me. Listen to me and please shut up. Just keep your mouth shut for 5 minutes. For one time, keep your mouth shut for 5 minutes. Why? It ain't doing shit. This is your best crowd at Ridgeland in a long time.
People traveling a long way to come watch you. And this is what you put out there? I'm not talking X's and O's and the buzz. Honest to God, we're doing a pretty damn good job. For that first preseason game, that first free run, it's okay. It's not bad. Of course we can improve, but the shit coming with it, guys? Are you serious? For what? That's all I want to know is why. What is it doing? It's nothing. I'm not mad about it. I'm really not, because it's the same different day. Nobody wants to come watch you cuss and throw around. Nobody wants to come watch it. Nobody. I'm sick of it, man. Listen to me.
Bro, don't, Mike. Keep going. Keep going.
Listen, okay, listen. I know you know that. Yeah, that's why you need to fuck on, bro. Get my money back. Well, get your shit and leave. We don't care, bro. Please get me. We don't need your money, bro. I got $150. We don't care, man. Get your ass up out of here, bro.
He came to play ball, bro.
No, he didn't. No, he didn't. How did I not come to play ball? I've been doing this shit since the trial. What did you say? What you I come to practice every day. Where you at? Every time. I'm at practice every fucking day. Fuck you. Every Saturday. Every Saturday I'm here. Okay. 10:30. Okay. Where you at? What that mean? Fuck you talking about? Play ball. Man, no, he don't. I gotta get some fucking skills. Sit down. He gotta get some skills. No, bro. No. He gotta get some skills. Hey, no, hold on. Sit down. Like that. Who we gonna play in front of? What? Thank you. Give him a shot. Give him a shot. Listen to me. Listen to me. This is the problem right here. This is the problem. When you're held accountable, the first thing you do is find each other. Listen to me. Shut the fuck up. Are we grown? Thank you. Thank you. Listen to me. Please. Keep your mouth shut and listen. When somebody holds you accountable, it's not fighting. Everybody got to be held accountable. You can't get mad when somebody tell you the truth. You can't get mad about it. If you ain't doing your job, you can't get on the field. That's all it is. If you ain't doing your job, you can't get on the field. It's not fighting. It's being a brother. Just relax and play the game. We need all of y'all. Okay? We need all of y'all. But until we play like we're one, it's not gonna fold. It's not gonna mold like that.
Hey, I got one thing to say. Ethan, the quarterback, he been in 2 plays. He ain't saying shit. Hey, damn. Shut the fuck up. Everybody gonna get to play. The fuck?
I come out here every Saturday, bro. Literally, I missed 2 years because I get shot. I come out here every Saturday and bust my ass just like everybody else, bro. Everybody else, bro. Period. It's not about me getting in the game or none of that. If we getting our ass blowed off the line, bro, I'm telling y'all do better. But y'all half-assing, Nick getting his ass busted off the line every time. And I'm telling y'all, bro, do better. Do better. Y'all don't want to hear that shit. You go out there and do the same shit, but you wonder why I'm getting fired up. This has been me since the trial. I'm gonna talk my shit and I'm gonna push my team to do better. If you don't like it, peace out. I don't give a fuck. I paid to be here just like everybody else, and I put my blood, sweat, and tears just like everybody else.
Let's go. Coach, we're gonna win a football game and we're gonna talk after. Right? I know. Right? All right, that's it. It's okay. That's it. Boom. Hey, y'all blow for me.
One. We're missing one. Missing one.
Let's go now. Hey, let's work now.
Rockets start the half strong with the 3 and out. The Eagles having to punt from their 20-yard line. It's Ethan Barker. The snap, it goes over his head. It's going to roll into the end zone. He's going to pick it up and throw it out of the back of the end zone. That is going to be a safety. That is not what Coach Hayden Clark wanted early on to start this half.
Snap it over his head. That's on me. I swear I can snap. I swear I can, bro. I should have.
After the safety, the Rockets starting to move the ball down the field.
You go run it, watch the running back. I'm gonna watch the quarterback.
The snap. He's going to throw it downfield, and he's caught. That is completed at the 7-yard line. It's going to be first and goal. Huntsville Rockets.
First and goal for the Rockets. We will play down in two.
We need a stop, bro. We need a stop, bro. Buckle down. You're in the red zone. Practice every guy. Nah, we need screen.
Legs against the wall now.
Red zone, lock it up. Let's go.
The Rockets in scoring position in the red zone here at the 7-yard line. Going to come out in the shotgun. The snap. It's going to be a QB draw. He's going to put his head down, and he is just swarmed by that Eagles defense. But wait a minute. It looks like there's a flag on the field. It's going to be another first and goal from the 3. Eagles showing blitz. The snap. It's a handoff to the left, and he is cut short at the line of scrimmage. It's going to be second and goal. Let's see if this Eagles defense can hold. Coming out in the shotgun. It's going to be a QB keep up the middle. He puts his shoulder down, and it looks like he got in. That is a touchdown, Huntsville Rockets. That's exactly what Huntsville needed to get back in this game, taking an 8-6 lead over the Chattanooga Eagles. 8 minutes, 30 seconds left. The Rockets in a very tough position right here, third and long at their 4-yard line. The snap, here comes the pressure. He's going to throw it away, and here comes the flag. And he did not get outside of the pocket, it appears.
You weren't outside of me. No,
if this is the case, that's going to be a safety.
No, when it's in the end zone, it's a safety. Intentional grounding in the end zone is a safety. No, it's not, bro. You got to learn the rules, bro. Bro, you playing and don't even know the rules, bro.
Get your whole ass off the field.
Hell no, what you gonna do?
Get your whole ass off the field.
Oh no, I'm right here.
And they are going to call it a safety. That is the safety Huntsville Rockets, and that leads to an 8-8
Hey man,
tie.
third and short, bro. Y'all get y'all fucking
coming into the fourth
play ball, bro.
Get to the ball.
Eyes on the ball, D-line. Eyes on the ball.
Get to the ball.
They ain't trying to score right here. They're trying to.
Goes down, y'all stay right here. Alright, we ain't gonna play with that shit.
Wait a minute. We are on TV, coach.
What you mean? Alright. Another person gets a personal foul. Yeah.
Eagles defense in a tough spot here, must get the stop. Huntsville threatening. First and goal at the 5-yard line. Things are starting to get a little chippy out there.
Get over there. Get over there. Get up, man. I'm here. I'm here. You got it. All right.
That might be it, folks. The refs are getting together. I think they're going to call it. This ball game, the game's going to end in an 8-8 tie between the Huntsville Rockets and the Chattanooga Eagles.
Talk straight shit. Right in front of push ass.
I'm gonna feel every feeling in the book tonight.
Whole season to go, baby.
Just the beginning, baby.
Fuck the hurt. Fuck the pain. Fuck the panic. Fuck the hate. I wanna feel every feeling in the book tonight. And only love and happiness will remain. Only love and happiness will remain. I wanna feel every feeling in the book tonight. Fuck the panic, fuck the hurt, fuck the sadness, fuck the shame. I'm gonna feel every feeling. And only love will remain.
Y'all don't want to fucking play on this team or none of that shit. Take your shit off and leave, bro. We do not need none of that bullshit. None of it. It's for no reason. No reason. This is a fucking scrimmage, bro. A fucking scrimmage. And y'all out here acting like we getting paid to do this shit. Everybody out here, same reason, to play football, bro.
It's because I'm to that point where I don't give a damn if we have a team this year. And I have never said that. I have never said that because I'm not going to continue to waste my time on what we just watched and what we just did and the standard that you guys just allowed to happen.